right, so this is the door. And then we have a little tag here with Ariel. You can flip the tag around. It says something else. Close the door. And then we have a shoe organizer in the back of the door. And that's for my younger sister's shoes, since I do sleep with her. Oh. The outlet is also Disney Princess. I got this one at Hobby Lobby, along with the door tag. And then you look up here, and this is a storage for just stuffed animals, so that it won't be thrown around or just laying around. And then down here I have my laundry and some rugs that I need to get cleaned so I can put them on the floor again. And then we have this vintage looking chair my mom got. And then the microphone. And this is where I keep all the crafts that I do. And then over here, I used to have more crafty stuff, but they're just my younger sister's pencils and notebooks. And then you go up here on this shelf, and we have a Cinderella Lego set with a Stitch painting my friend did for me, with some stitches that go along with it. Same thing, mimics it. We have another Stitch with some Beauty and the Beast figurines. Then we have a Disney castle. Then we have a Beauty and the Beast. And then we have a toddler version of Mulan. This Poopsie unicorn. That's my younger sister's as well. It's not mine. I just placed it up there. And then we have this Disney princess. I don't know if it's a toy or what it is. We got it at a yard sale. It's also Beauty and the Beast theme. And then over here we have this Blythe doll. If you're not familiar with them, these are just customizable dolls. I did my own, but I broke its eyes. So like the little string right here, you're supposed to pull that, and it's supposed to like make its eyes move around like from one side to another. They're actually pretty cute. I've always liked dolls a lot. So my mom knitted the dress because it's like more valuable if it's handmade. But since I broke it, I wasn't able to sell it. And it comes along with a little pink bike. You can also customize like the back of their heads. That's what I did. I did the pink bike with the pink rose. Place it up here. Then we have a picture of me when I was in 3rd grade with a Stitch hanging from a wagon. And it's another shelf. Here, let me turn it around so you can kind of get like a clear view. My room is kind of small, so I really can't go any farther than this because my bed's right behind me. Okay, so then over here, sorry. We have my younger sister's clothes, with some of her dirty clothes and some of her books in this backpack. This was given to me by a friend for my birthday. It's the ones that play like these huge discs. So he got me the Little Mermaid one and the Coco one. Then we have this unicorn deodorant thing here with a Stitch flower pot. A piggy bank where I put all the change with, I don't know what her name is, I forgot. But it's from Toy Story. It's my younger sister's. I just decided to put it on there. Here you go. Do you like it, Dalia? Yeah? Alrighty. So then we have this Stitch over here. And this Ariel. Oh, and these paintings I got from Walmart, along with this Frozen one. And this one I got from Hobby Lobby. And then we have a picture of my grandma, my uncle, and my grandpa. My grandma and my grandpa passed away, so this is a good memory for me. And then these are from Hobby Lobby as well. It's also the Little Mermaid and the Beauty and the Beast. Or the Beast, I mean the Beauty. The Beauty. And then we have the Virgin Mary over here. I am Catholic. I'm not against any other religion, but I am Catholic. And then down here, we have these bedding with Moana. This is my jacket. Oh, and then I'll be showing you what I got at Amazon. So, stay tuned for that. It's pretty neat. There are two things. And then, there's my, I use this for, they're supposed to be for, like, your laptop so you can, like, sit and use this with it. But, these are some earrings I just started. I do earrings with polymer clay. These are going to be little unicorns. And then this is my blanket with my little sister's iPad. And then some stuffed animals. So we have Donald Duck, Minnie Mouse, Beast. I keep mixing those up. Beast and the little dwarf from Snow White. And then the bedding I got from Walmart a while back. And then the pillow, that pillow you lay on, that white one, that white fuzzy one, I got from Walmart. And then like the stuffed Disney characters I got from the Disney store. So then I made this dream catcher. It was a while back as well, so I really don't remember how I made that. But I really liked the way it ended up, so I kept it. Alright, so over here, get out my bed, is my guitar with a hat. I thought it was a good aesthetic for it. And then we have a painting of Snow White and Aurora, and another aerial decor. And I got all three of those at Hobby Lobby, along with that little flower in the middle where I hung my guitar and my hat. And then right there, beside the bed, we have another stitch with a wax melt lighting, whatever that is. I forgot what it's called. Okay, so then we go over here. And right here, I have all my headbands. I have some, like, shoelaces in there, too. I don't know what those are doing there. But these are all my headbands. I am letting my hair grow out. I've cut it into a pixie, but now I'm letting it grow out. Because that's why I have a lot of headbands. And then I'm going to dye it after that, like I always do. And then I have a bunch of socks here. Well, not a lot. I need to buy more, especially boot socks, because it's winter now. And then over here, we have hats, like winter hats. Here, let's see if I can pull one up. Okay, there's a glove. But we have some winter hats. I can't. It's all smushed in there, so I don't want to take it all out. So, yeah, that's what I have right there. And then these are my curtains. I also got them from Walmart. They have, like, little pom-poms right here. Yeah. And then that's a tripod that I bought at Best Buy. It comes with a ring light, so I thought that was a pretty good deal, but I just broke it. Oh, well. So then we have this little decoration here hanging from the curtain stuff, along with these light bulbs. I thought they were neat. And then we have this Dumbo poster, but I think I'm going to move it to another section of the wall, because I'm going to hang my purses from there and my belts. And then over here, we have more Disney princess decoration I got from Hobby Lobby. And then right here, we have some small mirrors that go along with the aesthetic of a princess, along with this mirror. And I got those at Walmart. And then right here, we have my facial products, my body lotions. Oh, this is a very good cream. It's supposed to like inhibit hair growth whenever you shave or whenever you wax. I have my deodorant right here. This is my hair growth DIY spray that I made. My foundation. Sorry about that. That's my younger sister. And then right here we have all our lipsticks and our eyeshadow. We have powders, bronzers, highlighters, mascara. We have face products here. And then right here we have some jewelry. Some beauty bag that I got for free at Ulta when I bought this foundation. And then this is my my makeup brush cup. I got this at Marshall's a while back. I thought it was really cute. And then right here we have my perfumes with some rose water, body lotion, and these contact lens solution. With these contacts, these are the contacts I use. They're from TTDI. And then whenever you buy these contacts, you get like these little glitters. You get some tattoos, a little card, and a mirror. This is a mirror. So I've been using these right now. And then right here I have like more personal things. Like this is a face mask. It turns really cold and then very hot. And then my glasses, my eyeglasses. I got these from Firmu. They're like this. They're like the round ones. And then these are all my bras. These are all my underwears and some bralettes there. And some shorts you wear under your dresses and skirts. And then right here we have my mirror. Peace. My bathrobe. And then some underwears that I got at Victoria that are still new in there. And then this is my closet. Let me back up a little bit. So on top, there's all my shoes. On the left side, it's all my sweaters and my pants. And then there's a box in the very bottom. That's where like all my other junk is. And then in the middle are all my shirts, my leggings. Yeah, and that's pretty much there. And then on the right, that's all my jackets and my, yeah, that's it, my jackets. And then on the bottom part of the right, that's where you see that green fuzzy thing. Those are more pillows and more bedding sheets. And then this is just a bunch of like plastic bags that I didn't use. And then I use them for like trash bags. And that's it. Oh, and then my backpack or my bag that I use every day. Okay. And this is an overview of the whole room. Say hi, Dalia.
Hi.
I was trying to get everything covered. Just one thing. This is an S for my sister's name, because this is like her stuff here with an Anna on the back. Yeah, but this is just an overview of everything. Oh, and this rug I got at Target a while back as well. That's it.